Weather to tell you about tonight. Round one of storms moving through the area this evening. In fact, parts of northeast Ohio are under a tornado watch at this hour.
Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling is here to break down what we need to know. This has been really fluid the last hour and a half.
Yeah, it's been rain today and rumbles of thunder. The tornado watch kind of kicks it up a little bit, especially for our western counties. But right now there is no impactful weather in northeast Ohio. This is a tornado watch. That means the ingredients are coming together, that things could get a little squirrely with some thunderstorms expected later on this evening. That does include Erie, Huron, and Richland counties. So it is west of the greater Cleveland area, more like Sandusky and Norwalk down into Mansfield. We expand the picture and you can kind of see where the problems begin to evolve. Tornado watch is extending all the way back into the Plains states, but it's this cluster of storms that has popped up severe thunderstorms and tornado warnings just south of the Fort Wayne metro area. And notice that everything is kind of aiming eastward. So we put the radar on here and you can kind of see how this line of thunderstorms really popped. And this has only happened within the last 3 hours. We had that round of rain this afternoon that came through here. Then we get this lull. And in the meantime, we've had conditions west of us that have become more active and more conducive to these thunderstorms firing up. So you can see all of the lightning and the thunder that is involved with these storms that are firing. We've had 164 lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes just in this view right here. And it looks like the tornado warning south of Fort Wayne did expire. But these storms are moving east at about 40 to 50 miles per hour. Let me say that again. These storms are moving east. I'm going to go back to this real quick, and we're going to put a quick track on this because I do want to time out how quickly this is moving in. Okay, this is just about highway speeds. And if we take it all the way to the I-77 corridor, that's into 617 in Mansfield, 622 in Lorain, and close to 630, 628 in Cleveland. If all of this holds together, we're really focusing on areas south of Cleveland to be more impacted than areas north. Let's go hour by hour here and quickly take you through the evening. As you can see, the storms begin to enter into the western areas at about 7 p.m. I'll look at 8 p.m. now. You're seeing the storms starting to spread out a little bit. Very intense rain. Hail is a possibility with this. If you park your car outside, tonight might be one of those nights you want to bring it in just in case. You can also see that heavy rain, hail, and high wind threat expanding southward as this line continues to move in through the evening. By about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight, that should be out of here. So the big question would be, what are the big impacts, right? Well, we know damaging winds. We know the possibility of large hail exists. The tornado risk is still kind of up in the air. I know, pun intended, but there is the chance that we could see some of these thunderstorms spinning, much like we're seeing out west, and of course localized flooding with the heavy rain coming in. We are in a wait and see mode. That's why we have a tornado watch. If we are going to get anything that kicks it up into warning level, of course, we'll let you know right away.
We know you will. All right, Betsy, thank you so much.